Okay, so here's the deal. Halfway between filming this video, I had to delete some footage on my camera to make room for the rest of this video, and I deleted the first 2 parts of this video, so I'm gonna try and make this video into a quick beat. But today's video was supposed to be a full makeup look. However, like I said, we can't do that for you guys today. I am just showing you a tutorial on this all matte brown smoky eye. There's something that I love so much about matte looks. Even though I love shimmer, there's something that's very aesthetically pleasing to me as an all matte eyeshadow look, so that's what I wanted to create for you guys today. And I wanted to do a brown smoky eye because my next video is going to be a black smoky eye, so I just wanted to kind of show you the different levels and different tones and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean, hopefully. I don't know if you know what I mean. I don't even know if I know what I mean. Feel free to swap out anything that I used in this tutorial for anything else that you want to use. Just make this tutorial your own. But if you guys want to see how to get this eye makeup look, then just keep watching. Well, I just accidentally deleted the first 30 minutes of this video that I filmed, so we're gonna make this a quick beat tutorial. So now I'm gonna be taking the shade Burnt Orange and I'm gonna work this a little bit tighter into that crease area. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Sienna and I'm going to work that onto my outer corner and my crease area. Now I'm going to take the shade Mulberry and I'm going to work that into the very outer corner and the tightest area of the crease. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and use this to just carve out that inner to mid lid area, just so that the color that I put down over top of it appears brighter. Just because we have those darker shades on the lid, I just want that shade to come out true to tone. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Tempera and I'm going to put that right over top of that concealer. Now I'm just going to take some of that shade Sienna and just go back in and blend it between those 2 shades, and I'm also going to take a little bit of the Burnt Orange and place that down next to it, just so I have a nice gradient effect from the lightest shade to the darkest shade. Now I'm going to go in and do some wing liner, and I'm just going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow to do this. Since this is in a dark brown shade, this will go along with the tones we have in the eyes. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, you guys. My friend just came over and I had to stop filming for like 3 hours, so my makeup's looking a little bad, so we're just gonna touch that up, and I totally forgot where I left off, but I'm gonna try and remember and hopefully make this video the best that it can be. I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and today I'm gonna be using a new mascara. This is the NARS Climax mascara. For lashes today, I'm super excited. I'm trying out a new pair by Nelo Cosmetics. So now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to go in with my Morphe liner in the shade Richie, and I'm going to tight line my eyes with this. So now I'm going to go back in with the shade Sienna, and I'm going to press this tightly up against my lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with the shade Burnt Orange. Now I'm just dipping back into that palette, and I'm going to take the shade Glistening and put this on my inner corner and my brow bone. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with a red lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. Alright, so now that I have the lipstick on, I'm just going to go in and put some mascara on my lower lashes. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on my notification buttons, the little bell button, so you get notified when I post. And if you feel like it, feel free to leave some comments on what kind of content you would like to see from me next. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.